Deeply rooted in the field of Pultrusion technology for glass fiber reinforced plastics FRP, we have established a fully integrated, in-house R&D and manufacturing system covering equipment, molds, and finished profiles. Leveraging robust manufacturing capabilities, Hebei Guangzhou stands at the forefront of the industry and sets sail for the global market. We have independently developed a full suite of high-precision pultrusion production equipment, featuring stable operation and high molding efficiency, suitable for various large-scale, standardized production requirements. We offer independent custom mold development, precisely matching molds for non-standard, irregularly shaped pultruded profiles across all specifications, controllable precision and a comprehensive range of specifications, adaptable on demand to diverse global engineering standards. Leveraging mature manufacturing processes, our pultruded FRP profiles offer key advantages including lightweight, high-strength, corrosion resistance, electrical insulation, and aging resistance, making them suitable for a wide range of complex operating environments. From proprietary equipment and custom molds to finished profiles, Guangzhou exports its full range of products in volume, with operations spanning the United States, Russia, Brazil, South Africa, Egypt, and many other countries and regions. Aligning with international standards through precision craftsmanship, and earning the trust of global clients with comprehensive end-to-end capabilities.